Hello viewers, thank you for passing by. If you are one person who was browsing there and you happen to come across this channel, Rebi Kid Foods, please consider subscribing, press that notification bell, and join the family. For those who have already joined, please browse the membership packs so that you can always join the family. For the returning subscribers, I salute you as well. And if you're amazed with my videos, please throw your super thanks. Otherwise, I'm so happy for your support. Thank you so much for your support. So guys, today I am back on this video. And this video today, I'm going to do this recipe. The recipe that I'm going to do, I'm going to make some grounded beef. And this grounded beef, I'm going to serve it with some potatoes, and I'm going to bake it. So guys, this recipe is so nice. It's a recipe that you can give your a valuable guest. So please watch this video until the end, and remember, don't skip the ads. Otherwise, thank you so much, and let's go to the cooking. For the spices that I'm going to use, this is my grinded beef. It's about 1 kg. This is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use carrots, red onions. Here I have ginger and garlic. I have the peppers, the red, green, and the yellow. And I'm going to serve it with these English potatoes. And this beef, just as I told you, this recipe, I'm going to bake it. So I need to boil these potatoes first. And for the ingredients that I'm going to use, I have vegetable oil, I have mixed spices, paprika, coriander, turmeric, and salt to taste. So guys, all these are the whatever I'm going to use for this recipe. Please view this video until the end. You will really enjoy and love this recipe. And also throw your comment down there and tell me what you feel about this recipe. So I've just lit my oil is ready. So the next thing is just to cook my onion. I will add this ginger and garlic. Add tomato paste. I'll give it a good mix. Paprika. Mixed spices. Coriander. And turmeric. Give everything a good mix. I'll add in my carrots. Yellow pepper. And green. I'll give them a good mix. So guys, meanwhile, my potatoes are boiling. So after this, now I'm going to add my grounded beef. Mix everything well. And add salt. There's this recipe is very, very nice, very, very delicious. So keep tuned, guys. So guys, I'm just going to change this pan because I can see it's just too small for my beef. But let me just persevere. So make sure you mix up everything together. I've added salt and I'll just have to let this cook so well. So for it not to stick, you have to add some water. Just enough. I'm going to cover it and give it about 25 minutes to cook because we are still going to bake it. So keep tuned and let's check on our potatoes. As my beef is still cooking and my potatoes are ready, I was boiling them, so I'm going to smash them. So keep tuned. So remember when I was boiling them, I added salt, so they are tasty. They're very nice. It's already tasty. So make sure you smash them until they get soft and softer. My family really love this kind of recipe. So please comment down there and tell me what you feel about this. So when you're smashing, make sure every part is smashed because we are still going to bake it somehow. So it has to be soft. So guys, you can see how my potatoes are well done, well cooked, and it's looking so amazing. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a little milk here. I'm going to use milk here, so keep tuned. See my grounded beef, how tasty it looks. Looking so yummy, yummy. So we don't need to cook it for so long because we are still going to bake it for about 15 minutes. So I'll give it just about 2 minutes. Then there I am. I'll put it into baking. Keep tuned. To my beef. Yes, 2 minutes are over and my beef is now done. So I'm just going to take it out. I'll weten it with just some little oil. So this little oil is just for lubrication because already my beef has some oil. So I'm just lubricating it. And now next, you can see it, and I'm just going to add it in here. So this is my beef. Now the grounded beef. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my potatoes on top. Here are my potatoes. I'll spread the potatoes. Since my pan is not that large enough, but I hope it will be fine. So this, so my potatoes are my beef is well covered by potatoes. So what I'm going to do, guys, is just to bake it. Keep tuned still. This now, I'll just make some. Hi, sorry. I'll just make some cuts. I've already preheated my oven, so I'm going to keep it for 15 minutes only. This is it. Reason why, because I want it to dry up. So I've set it at 180 F and for 15 minutes. So keep tuned, guys, and see how this recipe gonna come. Oh, my food is ready. It's ready. So I'm just going to take it out. It is done. This is my meal now. So I just wanna serve it. Oh. So this is how I'm going to serve it. So you can see, so you can serve it with some things like some kind of salad. I have Kenyan kachumbari in here. So if you need much of this, you can add a little bit of that to it. So guys, this is my meal for today. It's so nice, so delicious. Although it's hot, but it's very, very nice. Can even add some rice to it if you so wish. So guys, you can see this is a very wonderful meal for your guest. So nice. So let me just have a bite. So nice. So guys, please view this video, comment down there and tell me what you think about this recipe. Try it out. Share as much as you can. And thank you so much for watching this video. So let's meet on another video. Bye bye.